All right, we're about to take our 6-hour hike. Going up, 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 up. Durmitor. This will likely be my view for the next flight out. Our first major turn on the little road, which is going to take us somewhere else. And there is the first view of, I think, where we're going. I'm just without words, it's amazing. We're coming down on the other side. Everybody's in their raincoats, including me. Beautiful, beautiful view. Off we go. Fantastic. Get a little bit of a break and more rain. We're back in a low meadow. It's easy enough hiking that we could put our umbrellas out. We supposedly have about 45 minutes to an hour more to hike, but we are towards the end. We're now on the road. Beautiful, beautiful view.
I'm just a traveling man.